Hey guys, today in this video, I'm going to show you how to get a Taboo Stories modded version for iOS and Android in 2025. As you can see, I got unlimited keys and tons of diamonds, so I'm going to show you guys how to do it, so let's get straight into the video. So what you want to do is go to this website. It's called hexmods.com. They have a lot of modded apps and stuff. I'm pretty sure it's on this website. So I'm on the site right now, bro. So I'm going to go search bar, type in Taboo, and as you can see, it should say Taboo Stories. There it is. So we're going to press on it. Press the download button, and before it downloads, guys, you will have to do a verification. So all the verification is a step to ensure you're not a bot, and basically all you have to do is download 2 apps and complete the instructions. They're completely free and they're from the official app store. So I'm going to show you guys exactly how to do it. So let's just wait for this to load up here just so I can show you guys. So as you can see, it says Taboo Stories mod installer. So basically this one says reach level 10, this one says run for 30 seconds. As long as you read the instructions on the app and actually complete them, you will get your Taboo Stories mod. So for instance, Family Island, you just press tap to install, takes you to the app store, you download the app, you're good to go. And then I would run the game, I mean, it's really quite easy. I've heard some stories about people that like hate verification, but trust me guys, like I've done it before and it actually is pretty easy if you actually read the instructions, and like if it says to reach level 10 on the game, you actually do it. You can't just download the app and expect that you're going to get your Taboo Stories mod. You have to actually read the instructions, but it's totally worth it in the end because you get this crazy Taboo Stories mod. So be sure to try it out for yourself. I'm going to see you guys in another video, but if this video works for you guys, be sure to go and share it because all I'm trying to do here is help you guys out with a working mod. So yeah, it's super crazy. So yeah, it's iOS and Android supported. Just do the verification, guys, and you're going to be good to go. So I'm going to see you guys later. This is super awesome. And yeah, I mean, I've tried many methods, but this is the only real way to get a Taboo Stories hack on your device.